everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a what's in my bag video. I really enjoy doing the what's in my bag videos because it gives me an opportunity to clear out my bag. And I know I have been carrying around some serious amount of rubbish in my bag that does not need to be there, especially receipts. Like, I'm almost ashamed at how much receipts and how much rubbish is in my bag. So this is the bag that I have been using recently. It is the bag that I got for Christmas, and it is a Mulberry Mitzy Bag in the colour oak, and it's kind of a bit like a Mary Poppins bag. Like, it's so big and it holds everything, and that's why, like, there's so much crap in here. There's two really deep pockets, and then there's like the big like section in the middle. So I'm just gonna pull out what is in my bag. The first thing is my purse. I've had this purse a long time. I don't think much has changed in the way of what is in it, bar probably a few more receipts and normal. Let's see how much money I have in here. I have 50p. That's how great I am. So yeah, I have not very much in my purse, but yes, that is my purse. Very dirty, very old. I have my keys. So again, I still have my same two key rings on it, my little mulberry star and my mulberry heart, which I absolutely love. They are in my bag. Let's see, I have a little pen. This is from doing the weekly grocery shop. I have like a little memo pad that has a pen attached to it, and I just pull off the pen and the grocery list, and then just score off everything as I pick it up. So this was this week's grocery shopping list and pen. The next thing is, let's see what this is. Oh yes, Sainsbury's receipt from the shopping today. Then I've got some post office receipts from some items that I sold online, just little tracking numbers and things like that on there. I have another Sainsbury's receipt from the end of December. So yeah, another Sainsbury's receipt. There's a Tesco's receipt. Today they were £6.24p cheaper. Oh, it's from the 6th of January, so that was the week after the other Sainsbury's shop. Receipt. There's another receipt. What's this for? Superdrug receipt from Hotel Chocolat. Literally, there's so many receipts. There's another Tesco receipt for some sweet potatoes and carrots that we ran out of. So a Primark receipt. Another Hotel Chocolat receipt. Another Primark receipt, and a B&M receipt. That, literally, receipts in my bag, which I do not need. The next thing in my bag is a little hairbrush. This is a T style. It's just tiny enough and has a little mirror on the back of it, which is always handy, and it's small, so it fits in my bag perfectly. I have a pack of tissues because you never know when you're going to need some tissues. I have a little shopping bag. This is just one of those like fold away, fold inside thingy shopping bags. This is from Cath Kidston, and it is one of the Cath Kidston Disney range ones in, I think it's like the little patches. I think that's like the range it was from. I have some Tesco Effervescent vitamin C and zinc tablets because I've had a cold recently and I'm still not fully recovered from it. I have an umbrella. This one is from Bowden and I really like it. It's just navy and white spots. Bog standard, but you always need an umbrella over here. I have a little pack of chewing gum. This is the Wrigley's Extra White. So there's not very much in there. Always handy to have in your purse or in your bag. I have some Nurofen cold and flu relief tablets, again because I've been sick. I have a Boden voucher to use, so that is in my bag. I have a little, I have no idea why I have this. It's like a little thing of thread with a needle and 2 buttons on it. No idea why that is in my bag. It clearly came with something that I bought and I've just shoved it in my bag somewhere along the way. I have my work pass to get into work. I have my diary that I carry everywhere. This is just one that my mum got me for Christmas and I really like it. So just pink and white and gold. I have my work like notebook thing that I write everything in. It needs to be noted down in work. The last thing I have is my USB pen, which has everything on it. Oh, no, wait. And there is a random glove in my purse, or in my bag. Why do I keep calling it a purse? It's not a purse, it's a bag. Yeah, a random glove. So that is everything that is in my bag. I am so happy that I did this today and I can clear out all those receipts that were taking up so much room in my bag. Just think of how much more room I can have now in my bag. Put all those receipts in the bin because I do not need them. So yeah, make sure and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will see you next time. Bye!